Anyone of any age can have a problem with their nails. This can be caused by a number of different things. Your fingernails may become thinner, thicker, lose color, or grow unevenly. Sometimes they can also break off, which will prompt the growth of a fresh nail. Ingrown nails, also called onicocriptosis, are one of the most common problems. They happen when the tip of the nail pokes through the soft skin around it. Men and women of all ages can find ingrown nails bothersome since they can lead to pain, discomfort, and even severe inflammation. The most typical type of ingrown toenail is found on the largest toe. Ingrown nails can be very sensitive, hard to treat, and painful. If the nail gets infected, treatment may take a long time. Thankfully, there are a few all-natural remedies for ingrown nails. Consider the following. 1. Lemon. Many different conditions, including ingrown nails, can be treated with lemon. Simply split a lemon in half and apply the juice to the affected area. Do this each night, and keep that area out of the sun. 2. Epsom salt. Put some Epsom salt in a tub of water. Soak your infected nail. Give it 15 minutes to soak. The nail will soften and heal more quickly as a result. 3. Salt water. Create a solution of salt water, using filtered water. Your infected nail should be dipped in this solution for at least 15 minutes. The nail should then be wrapped in gauze before sleeping. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Ingrown nails can be effectively treated with apple cider vinegar. To relieve pain and suffering, all you need to do is combine 1/4 cup of vinegar with 2 glasses of warm water. Use high-quality vinegar, organic if possible. Due to its antibacterial qualities, vinegar can also immediately prevent wounds from infection. Soak the infected nail in the apple cider vinegar solution for at least 15 minutes. Wash with warm water afterwards. 5. Homemade antiseptic cream. This treatment has anti-infective and analgesic properties. Consider the following. Ingredients. 5 drops of essential tea tree oil. 5 drops of essential eucalyptus oil. 5 drops of essential lavender oil. 1 drop of essential oregano oil. 2 drops of essential peppermint oil. 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil that has been cold pressed. Instructions. Combine aloe vera gel and coconut oil in a bowl. Melt the coconut oil in a pot if it is solid. Once this is done, combine the essential oils with the mixture. The cream should now be kept in a glass container in a cold, dry location. Every night, apply this natural medicine. Gently massage the affected area with it. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.